Today, we will observe market structure in close action and talk about how to trade weak or strong markets. We will discover how to find entry locations with our best trading view indicator. Furthermore, we will also learn how to make entries or use other methods to catch trades. If you are good to go, it is time to start now. On the weekend, we witnessed a rather weak market. Totals were crashing really badly, which was followed by major pairs like Bitcoin, Solana, and Ethereum. USDT dominance was strong. So in the days like this, it is best to check top losers rather than winners. This is why I tweeted about not USDT coin on my Twitter account. It was an interesting setup. By using our multi-time frame indicator called ICT high time frame candles, you can easily notice this extreme crash. Altcoins like this one generally crashes harder compared to major coins. This area of multi-imbalances with 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and 1 hour already caught my eye. This is how we spot areas to seek entries. Actually, our strategy is rather simple. So what we're gonna do is just open the lower time frames like the 5 minute here and observe the area for possible entries. And also we will discuss alternative way to trade this. So what happens here is actually a very classic price action. A strong crash followed by a slow pullback. Right at this point you can see the inner market structure break and the imbalance created. This is what you should seek in these tradable zones. But in this trade, we had this rather long accumulation which lasted almost a couple of hours actually. For a second, imagine that. You set this 5-hour crazy setup, which I normally do not support. Instead, finding 2 or 3 setups are more beneficial in my experience. Anyway, after very long hours of accumulation, I would definitely cut the 50% trade without ignoring the future. Remember, the longer you're in a trade, the more danger you are in. As a day trader or a scalper, you should rather quickly settle your trades. Let's also talk about other ways to trade this chart. A simple Fibonacci here can give you interesting ideas about how to handle the trade. There are 2 significant areas here. The 50% EQ point and the general optimal trade entry location as well. They also combine with inner imbalances when you carefully look on the left side. In this case, setting a 2-part yo-yo setup here could be really interesting because we do not know the future and how much the price could have been pulled back. As you can see, trading is not involving a single method. You can use multiple tactics like a chess player. Okay folks, another very educational video ends here. Please take care for the moment and see you next time. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you